here's how to extract an audio from video on iPhone using shortcuts. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can extract an audio from video on iPhone using Shortcuts app. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Shortcuts. So here, as you can see, I have the Shortcuts app right over here. But if you don't have it, if you have accidentally deleted it, it's no problem. Just go to your app store. So once you're in the app store, just go to search bar and type in Shortcuts. So here it's gonna take a while to load up, but here, as you can see, that we got Shortcuts right over here, and we can just download it from right over here. So I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So yeah, we just need to go to our Shortcuts now. So once we're in Shortcuts, what you have to do is just press on the plus icon on the top. Once you're here, as you can see, you have to do some modifications right over here. So on the top, you can just rename your converter or extractor, whatever you want to call it. So we're just gonna type in extract just for the sake of this video. You can name it whatever you want, it's no problem. And here we go. Now what you have to do is just press on the information icon in the bottom. Once you press here, you just have to press show in share sheet. Just turn this setting on. Once you turn this setting on, press done, and then you'll be able to see receive images and 18 more input from share sheet. So what you have to do is just press on images and 18 more share. Just press on this. Once you press on this, as you can see that everything is selected right over here. What you have to do is just press clear on the corner. Once you press clear, as you can see, everything's turned off. Just turn on media. Make sure that your media is turned on. So yeah, once your media is turned on, press done. And now you have to press add action. Once you press add action, type in encode and then press encode media. So here, as you can see, I have enabled encode media, and then what you have to do is just press on the arrow. Once you press arrow, you will be able to see an option called audio only. So just press on audio only, and here it will change the format to MP4A. So once you do all this, just press on search for apps and actions and type in save file. Press save file, and here we got save file as encoded media. So here we can check all the details, and here it's gonna ask where to save. So yeah, once you have enabled this and you have done all the process, so you're pretty much good to go. Just press done. So you have basically created your extract converter. So just go to the video that you want to extract audio from video. So here, as you can see, I have this video and I want to extract its audio from video. So I'm gonna press the share icon on the corner. Once I press share icon, if I swipe down a bit, I'll be able to see an option called extract that we made from our shortcuts. So you just need to press extract. Once you press extract, it's gonna do the preparing. And here, what you have to do is just press on browse. Once you press on browse, you have to select the file that you want to put it in. So basically, I'm just gonna go into on my iPhone, and I can just put it wherever I want to. So yeah, basically you could just create a new folder either ways. So we're just gonna make an untitled folder called audio. Alright, and then just press done and open. So here, as you can see, it gave me the sign that it's done. So now let's check out our audio. If I go to files and search up audio, and here as you can see that I have a audio, and this is the same audio that we converted from video. So yeah, this is how you can extract an audio from video on iPhone using shortcuts. So I hope this video helped you out, and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Until then, goodbye and peace.